Hi, welcome to MetaHomes. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sign up and create an agency account as well. Before you get started, make sure that you have an active email address. Click the three lines at the top right corner of the page. Select Sign Up. Type in your active email address. Click Sign Up. Solve the CAPTCHA to verify you're human. Check your email for a verification code from MetaHomes. Enter the code in the provided field and click Next. Create a strong password. And click Next. Fill in your first name and last name. And click Next. Your account is now active, and you'll be directed to your dashboard as shown here. Select Agent Center. Click Get Started. Select Agent. Indicate whether you work for an agency or own one. In this case, I have mine, so I'll probably select that I have my own agency. Provide your company name. Upload your agency logo. Select the Emirate, exempli Gracia, Dubai. Choose the community and sub-community. Enter your company address. Provide your trade license number and upload the trade license certificate. Input the issue date and expiry date of your trade license. Provide your RERA number. Upload the RERA certificate. Enter the validity dates. Expiry date. Add your phone number. You can enter multiple numbers. Provide an active email address. You can add another email if you want. Write a brief company description. Click Next. Choose a clear, professional photo. Select your Emirate, community, and sub-community. Provide your broker registration number, BRN. Upload your BRN certificate. Enter the validity dates. Your phone number is pre-filled, but you can add another. Provide details about your experience, success stories, and background. Optionally, enter nationality and social media handles, optional, but recommended for better connectivity. You can also include your website to let your clients connect with you on the on-the-ground level. Review all the details for accuracy. Click Submit. Your application will be reviewed by MetaHomes. If all the information is correct, it will be approved. This will take some time, as all the documents need to be reviewed with accuracy. If it is approved, your dashboard will look like this, and you will be able to start listing and managing your team and properties.